What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Let's go ahead and continue this merge 2 and let's see where we go. Let's see how far I get today. May complete it, may not. Let's see what it does as of now. So I already have 2 sorted, no duplicates at the moment. So it shouldn't be giving me too much problems. Also notice how one side is completely on its own. Well, no, actually, it mixes up. It does these 3, then it does these over here, then it comes back. I thought it was without the zeros for some reason. Let's go ahead and run it and see what it does. Okay, so it sorts them, but it doesn't do the 40 and 50. It just cuts off. So, and then okay, I remember now. Okay, so I had put in these console logs to see why it cuts off. So it does AR1, so it does bottoms only. Bottoms. Okay, so it never. Am I doing this recursively or I am? Okay. It never reaches the top. It just returns it. That's kind of weird. It reaches the top, but it doesn't actually, run it. I'm gonna add another one, but I'm not gonna add it inside the if. I'm gonna do counter. You know what? I'm gonna do the counter. Where do I add the counter or take away? I do it down here in the recursion. I'm gonna do it here since I'm gonna do it twice. I'm gonna log it out, right? Oh, I already had it. It's right here. But I didn't have it with the string. I have it with the string, that way I know. Because I have a bunch of numbers here, and I don't know what's what pretty much. So let's go ahead and run that. See what happens. So counter should be 10. So it should be from 9 all the way to 0. So we have counter 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Wait, no, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, for 1 and 0, it doesn't do anything. So it starts off at the very top. Counter. For 1 and 0, it doesn't do anything. Not top, no top, no bottom. I do need to find out though where it's going, so I'm gonna let's do another one. Let's just say top. Let's do a bottom one. Bottom. Okay, so I am running bottom for 1. Then when it reaches 0, like the base case, it does top, but it doesn't actually run them. Okay. I see. Okay, let's do. So I know that it does bottom, so let's do AR1, AR2. Just like that. I'm gonna do the same thing because I know it does it on the top. Should I do this? Should I do this up here? Because I'm doing it at the top before any calculations are done. I'm gonna do it up here. Oh, you know what though? Not just regular AR1. I'm gonna do ARI and then ARJ. I'll also try it without the other stuff. Undefined. So 1 undefined, that's weird. 40 undefined. Oh, okay. So it doesn't compare undefined. AR2J, it's done. Undefined. It's because it, is it because it added 40? Comparing 40 to undefined. How would he do that? Comparing 40 to undefined. Is there a way to compare it or no? How about if undefined, then move the other. If undefined. That's a lot of. That's a lot of cases, huh? It's like I feel like it's very specific. But then again, I do have a lot of console logs here, so it does look a bit jumbled up. So I'm gonna add a. I'm gonna add an if. Just don't know where. After. If. Oh no. Because that's where it's comparing. That's what doesn't happen. AR1 top. That's what doesn't do it. It doesn't compare it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add another one. It's gonna be outside of the if and else. And I can't just add an else because either one's undefined or the other one's undefined. So we're gonna do if just before I need to make sure which one's undefined. Let's see. Or instead of undefined, I can do if array is empty. Let's try that out. If array is empty. Now we'll do the other one. Alright, so if array 1I is undefined, else if array 2J undefined, then we're gonna, so if array 1 is undefined, that means it's done. So we're gonna add array 2, array dot concat array 2. I might be able to do this one up here. I don't know yet though. Let's try it here first. And then if array 2 is undefined, then that means array 2 is done, so we can do array 1, array concat. I can't just push it, because in this case, if we have 40, wait. No, I can't just concat. Because it's still full. I can't just concatenate it, bro. It's not gonna give me. Watch, never mind. I can't just concatenate the whole thing. It's not gonna give me the right result. Let's try it out. Well, first off, it didn't give me the right result, regardless. Undefined. Why? It is undefined though. One counter. It's not undefined anymore. It did add them. Kind of weird. But I can't. How do I compare undefined? I might have to Google this one. How to compare undefined? I think I might compare it by number. COG number. I don't know if it's gonna say not a number, but let's try it out. It's false. Oh, I could do boolean. Boolean. Oh, wait. We'll see. Not a number. How would I compare number, string? It's just gonna be string. can you compare to? Compare the number. Compare number and undefined. False. You can't really. 6 is greater than. It's gonna be false regardless. So you need it to be. You need it to be greater. So if it's undefined, it needs to be greater. How can I do that? Greater. Well, we know what the next step is, so I'll do that some other day. But we know what the next step is. Compare. Make number greater than undefined. Somehow. I don't know how. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good ass day. Peace out.